So we're back again for the staff 10-minute challenge, and this challenge is Mandy's challenge. Now I will say I've kind of set Mandy up just a little bit, and that is, I think I've taken her out of her comfort zone. To be honest, if you saw Amber and Shannon's video, I think those colors in that pack was more Mandy. This pack that I'm giving Mandy is actually more Amanda, so maybe I'm mixing it up a little bit, but that's okay. It'll be fun. So if you don't know, Mandy is my graphic designer who helps me make stamp sets. This is not Amanda, who is my assistant. I want to clarify that. Now, if you also don't know this is a competition between the staff. They are competing to win a $100 gift card. Some are playing in teams and some are playing individual. Mandy is playing individually. So she has 10 seconds to see what's available to her and then 10 minutes to make a card, and it's usually pretty fun. I expect this one to be pretty quiet because Mandy's pretty quiet anyway. So we'll see how this one goes. All right, here we go.
This is Mandy. Mandy.
Hi, everybody.
She's from our graphics department. She's pretty confident, you know? We talked about it a little bit, and you seem pretty confident. I mean, you make cards. You make stuff
occasionally.
Occasionally.
Yeah, not all the time.
Yeah.
Occasionally. But I grew up with a crafty mom.
There you go. So it's in your blood.
Apparently. Apparently. I prefer to use a computer, but...
Yeah. Well, you got 10 minutes and, you got 10 seconds to look at things, and then your 10 minutes starts.
Okay.
So,
I think...
whenever you are ready...
And I can only use what is here?
You can only use what is there.
But I don't have to use everything.
Well...
I don't have to use everything.
I reckon
I want to use everything, but
I would say try your best to use everything, but it's not a rule.
If there is a jellyfish on a ruler, I don't have to use it. Okay, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds starts now.
Oh, wow. Golly, Maymay loves me. It's not a jellyfish.
It was close, though.
It was close.
All right, 10 seconds is up.
Okay. Golly. I feel like set up to win. All right. So obviously, card base.
All right. So one thing to be conscious of is make sure you stay in the
screen.
Yeah.
All right. So card base. Bum 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 bum. I have to measure, oh gosh, I can never remember. Is it 4 1/4 or 4 1/2? We're going to go 4 1/4. You know what? 5 1/2, 4 1/4. Okay. I'll go maybe smaller. All right. Oh, I cut it the wrong way. No, I did. Okay.
9 minutes.
Yeah. So, okay. Well, we're going to do a small card. Okay. All right. So what have I got? I'm dealing with 8 1/2. So 4 1/2 by 4 1/2. Right? Oh, man. I am not crushing it today. All right. Oh, fatal error to begin with. Okay. So...
How do you want time updates? Pretty...
Yeah, just let me know. I got 2 minutes left.
Okay. I can dig.
To wrap it up. But you can keep me company. I don't mind talking.
Yeah, I'm not going to leave you.
I don't mind talking while I go.
I ain't going to leave you here.
I made the fatal error to begin with, so...
It's okay. You can recover.
I can. It's,
Hey, ain't no
let's think about who I'm sending a card to. Let's say you are magical.
Let's say, what if you're making the card for me? What about that?
Well, then I would definitely use this red-headed mermaid.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that's fair.
And... you are magical. Is this where y'all store your stickers when you're looking? This is where I store my stickers. All right. So I would do a print. So I've got, what, 4 1/4? I should have split that difference. But I didn't. So we're right at 4. Do it 3.5. Save myself some time. Oh, no, I can't save myself some time. Alright, 3.5. See, now I'm gonna have to double check all my work. Alright. So this way, 4. See, this is where math is going to be my downfall. All right. I'm just going to do it the hard way. Okay. All right. So I got glue. We got glue. And I always put too much glue on. Pen goes back in the glue.
Correct.
Because it's art glitter glue. Okay, save my card. It's too bad I don't have the lift here or something. Okay, so Jordan, you are magical.
Thank you.
You are magical in your video editing.
Thank you. I think so. I think so as well.
Oh, and you get some little sparklies. I mean, come on. This is actually going to end up being. I
just realized I didn't use all mine either.
Oh, does that even stick?
I had sparklers too. I didn't use them.
Oh man, I should have popped up the. Okay, so let's look and see. I bet I have a little something, like a little sand dollar. My grandparents used to always bring me sand dollars back from the beach.
Yeah.
I was fascinated with them. Oh, looky here. Using, let's see, where do we want to put that? We'll just put that right there. What do y'all think? Okay, so I still can stamp something. All right, I've used that paper, sparklies. So now where did I put it?
What is
How
it?
much time have I got left?
4 minutes.
I have a coral. Oh, I've got time then. All right, so. Am I in screen? Actually, I could probably get this out of the way. All right.
That's a good
And let's see. You are magical. Oh, I don't have a pen to write a sentiment.
Nope.
All right. You are magical. I am a mermaid. It's a full sentence.
Yes.
You are magical. I'm done adulting. Let's be mermaids instead. How much time have I got?
3 minutes, 15 seconds.
Oh. You are magical. I guess we're gonna have to go with you, mermaid, to be awesome. Always be yourself, unless you can be that. How to be a mermaid. Ride the waves, dance with the sea turtles. Mermaid kisses. Be a mermaid in a sea of fish. I do want you to be a mermaid in a sea of fish, but
Yeah.
be a mermaid and make waves. I'm totally a mermaid. Okay, it's time to make a decision. You are magical. We're just gonna have to go with you were made to be awesome, because you were, Jordan.
Thank you.
You were made to be awesome. So it is hard to line things up in here when you're not standing over it, or can't.
2 minutes.
But I don't have a pen to sign my name, so you'll have to just know that because it was purple.
I got it.
I'm crooked. Oh well, maybe that's not too bad. All right, so I got time left, right?
You do. You got a minute.
Let's
45.
look at it. All right, you are magical, and I should have scooted that up a little bit, but you are made to be awesome. I expect this to be hung up in your office.
Oh yeah, it will.
I will sign it when when the challenge is over. You were made to be awesome. All right, I think I'm gonna call it done.
Oh wow. Okay.
I don't have anything else I could put on it.
Is that it?
We're gonna say done.
Done.
Bye, everybody.
All right, let's
Let
see it.
go.
Let's see it. Oh.
Okay, so I made an error in my paper. I cut the wrong. I was gonna cut lengthwise, and I got.
If you didn't tell me that, it would be your card, and you did it uniquely, and I wouldn't know.
Okay, well, we'll scratch all that.
Now, here's the thing. Here's the thing, and I'm gonna say this because it's kind of unfair. So everybody, well, not Jordan so much. I gave him kind of a guy thing, and then the
I was
other
like,
girls.
I got this.
Were you excited?
I was.
Oh my gosh, because I was like, I'm a little worried because this is not really Mandy. Where I felt like what I gave I felt like what I gave Amber and Shannon was more Mandy. And then I thought she may struggle with this, but this is totally Amanda. But I didn't want to give this to Amanda.
Right.
That's too
You don't
easy.
make it too easy.
It's too easy. So was it hard?
It was hard when I didn't cut the way I wanted, and then I had to regroup and figure out. Oh gosh, what am I doing new?
Also, look at this. So this is the difference in her. Was it clean the whole time and like organized the whole time?
For the most part, it was.
Yeah. That's how she crafts versus how everybody else does. So you did good. Now I want to remind everybody this is a contest. So this card will be hidden, and at the end of all the videos, we'll put up a poll on our blog, and you guys can come and vote for who you think is the winner because you're up for $100, $100 gift card. You're up for it by yourself. The other girls have to split it. So
Yeah, I'm not the splitting kind.
well, you did good. We'll see if you win. All right, hands in the screen. You got to wave bye. Bye, guys.
Bye.